Hi everybody, Janabelle from East Coast Mummy, and it's time to get crafty. I have 3 adorable Halloween treats that you are going to love. All you need is a bag of suckers and a few inexpensive dollar store supplies. This is going to be fun. First, you're going to want to grab a brown paper lunch bag. Cut a rectangle, fold it in half, and cut a bunch of strips, being careful not to cut all the way through. Then grab a hot glue gun, attach the strip to the sucker stick or a paper straw attached to the sucker stick. Wrap it around and around and around and secure it in place with a bit more hot glue. Take a bit of twine or yarn and wrap it around the broom. I went in one direction with one end of the yarn and the other direction with the other end of the yarn. Tie it in place, and add the cute little tag I designed. I'll leave a link to the free downloadable tag in the description box below. The tags come on a 4x6 sheet so you can print them like a regular photograph. Cut them out, punch a hole in the top, and insert the twine or yarn through the tag. I use a plastic needle just to make it a little bit easier. Tie a little bow, trim the ends, and that's it. How cute is this? I'm obsessed with these little witching you a happy Halloween tags. Next up is an adorable and sweet spider. You'll need 2 pipe cleaners, a couple of googly eyes, and a hot glue gun. Cut the pipe cleaners in half, which will make 4 pieces, which will become 8 legs. All you need to do is take each piece of pipe cleaner and twist it around the sucker stick. You're going to do this for all 4 pieces of the pipe cleaner. Then use hot glue to attach 2 googly eyes to the pipe cleaners. You can secure the legs in place with a bit of hot glue on the back too if you like. To finish, bend the ends of the pipe cleaners to make them look more like spider legs. And here's how it looks when you're finished. How cute is this little guy? Last but not least, I have 3 ways to make super cute ghost suckers. You can use Kleenex, coffee filters, or pattern napkins. You just take whatever you have on hand, wrap it around the top of the sucker, and secure it in place with a bit of twine or yarn. Then you use hot glue to attach googly eyes or little bits of felt. You can also embellish with ribbon or whatever you have. I've made these ghost treats all 3 ways, but I really like the whimsy of using a pattern napkin. It's just a little bit different. Let me know in the comments, which would you use? Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.